In a place where time whispers its own secrets, a symphony of nature unfolds. Sunlight dances on vibrant blooms, and the air thrums with the gentle hum of life. Here, nestled amidst a tapestry of emerald embrace, lies a haven unlike any other. Touching Eden House, a name that evokes tranquility and serenity. This magnificent dwelling stands proudly at the edge of the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a century-old paradise. Here, in the heart of a bustling city, lies a testament to the harmonious coexistence of urban living and the natural world. The very essence of Touching Eden House is the seamless integration of nature into its very core. The moment you step onto the property, a sense of peace washes over you. Meticulously landscaped gardens burst with color, and gentle whispers of the wind carry the sweet fragrance of exotic blooms. The house itself is a captivating blend of modern design and natural elements. A veil of greenery provides privacy and shade, while clean lines and expansive windows open the home to breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. It's a captivating interplay of contemporary architecture and the magic of the natural world. Stepping inside Touching Eden House is stepping into a sanctuary of warmth and tranquility. Natural materials like travertine, granite, and earth-toned fabrics create a sense of harmony with the surrounding environment. Large open spaces and floor-to-ceiling windows blur the lines between inside and outside, allowing the beauty of nature to flood the rooms with natural light. Atop the house, strategically positioned for ultimate immersion, lie the study and gym. These private sanctuaries offer breathtaking panoramic vistas of the lush tree canopies. Imagine working out or focusing on a project, surrounded by the serenity and inspiration of nature's embrace. A truly transformative experience that nurtures both mind and body. Further blurring the lines between the house and its surroundings, cascading greenery spills from the rooftop terrace, creating a living curtain that infuses the atmosphere with whimsical charm. It's a testament to the magical alchemy that occurs when human habitation and natural splendor are woven together in perfect harmony.